top of the morning. R. Lamar TV, Raymond Lamar Lee with some more hip hop empowerment. Third day of September, and so I got a quote for y'all today. So this is just, again, just quotes that I have wrote down. Like, I kind of start my day with some quotes, and so I think this one is really good. I really like it. But the quote says, "The more limited your vocabulary, the more tendency for poor behavior." Now that one might not hit you right in the face like a lot of my other quotes, but let me say that again. The more limited your vocabulary, the more tendency for poor behavior. Because think about this. I talk about this a lot. And our vocabulary is our ability to label things. So the way you label your day, the way you label things that happen to you is important. And for some reason, a lot of people think certain things only happen to them. A lot of people think that bad health or family issues or car accidents, all these things that happen to people, that happen to everybody, somehow particularly just happens to them. But that's because of their limited vocabulary. And when your vocabulary, see, I'm making up words, but when your vocabulary is limited, it kind of limits your experiences in life. So if all you have is like a couple adjectives like bad, horrible, terrible, sucks, like if these are the words you use to label your experiences every day, it kind of puts you in a box, and then it affects your behavior. But instead, if you can take the same situation and instead of horrible or terrible, you call it challenging or creative. Like, this is going to be a creative process for you. And I know that might sound corny and kind of like just Pollyanna, but like, you build this experience of your life through the words you say. That's why it's important, the words you put in, the words you read, the words you hear, the words you look at, the words you see affect how you describe this experience that we call life. So, if you learn different words and come up with some different descriptions of your situation, like instead of this being the end for you, this could be the beginning for you, or this could be the point break where you turn it all around. It's just the way you phrase things, the way you limit things. Again, just be careful what you say. Watch the words you say every day. Have a happy September 3rd. This is R. Lamar TV, Raymond Lamar Lee, and that's one R, and that's two L's. Peace and love. Go get it today. Use some different words and go get it. Peace, love, holla.